Hello everyone, this is Curtis at home in the kitchen cooking something for New Year's. That's right, we in the new year 2025. Oh boy, it was a long year last year, but we made it to a new year, and that's something to be thankful for. So in this new year, I'm getting ready to cook something in the kitchen here, and I do it every year. What this is a New Year meal that I'm preparing here. I'm gonna have some black eyed peas. I'm gonna have ribs. Bake some ribs out for that, and I'm gonna have some mustard greens. I always love to have some mustard greens on New Year's, and so I got some mustard greens, and that's what I'm gonna prepare for my New Year's meal. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me show you. To top it off, I always like to have some of these ham hocks that I put in there. Oh, these smell good too. They smoked. Get some of them good ham hocks that bring in some good flavor. Oh yeah. Oh man, you talking about? Oh, this is smell good. This is gonna be a good meal with the greens in there too. Oh boy. Now, I've already got my black eyed peas. I picked some of these up at Walmart there the other day, and what I always like to do is I like to put them in some cold water in a bowl and get them soaked. I like to let them soak. I got a big bowl right here. If I can share it with you, let me see. Let's see if I can share this bowl with you. I'm talking about right here. It's got some water in it. If I can bring it up here, let's see if I can share that with y'all. Hold on. If I can get the camera to act right. hold on a minute. Hold on. Let me see if I can turn this camera around here, and I can share that with you. These peas that I have. Hold on a minute here. Okay, let's see. Can I share? There we go. There we go. Right there. Those black eyed peas I'm telling you about. It's in that water, cold water. Soak. I let them soak overnight. So we're gonna get these in a pot. I'm gonna rinse them off in a minute here and get them in a nice pot so that I can cook them up. Oh, and I always take and I put some baking soda in there when I soak them overnight just to clean them up good. So I'm gonna rinse these here off here, and I told you about the other things that I was having right here. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, some of these here good old mustard greens got here, and I'm gonna take and rinse these here mustard greens off. Yeah, we're gonna get them all cleaned off and get them in a pot. Okay, and I told you about the ribs. So here we go. It's right here. It's natural. Yeah, Perry Fresh natural. Oh yeah, some of these good ribs right here. So this here is what I'm gonna be putting in the oven here, baking that out. So let's get at it, guys, for the new year here in 2025. We're gonna eat good here in 2025. That's right. We're gonna do some cooking here. So y'all just got to stay tuned. You know how it is with the holidays. You're on the go. You're traveling. You're going here and you're seeing family members. You're just doing a number of things here during the Christmas. And when you have time, then you want to take and just relax a little bit and stay at home and do some cooking in the kitchen. And so that's basically what I'm doing here. I'm gonna cook something here in the kitchen. So let me get this stuff all prepared, and I'll share a little bit more with you once I get this meal all together. All right, Happy New Year. Okay, guys, I'm sharing the peas with you here. The black eyed peas. I got them over here cooking on the stove here. Now, what we have here is I put some onion off in there, chopped up some onion, and I put some bacon on top of it, and also I put a ham hock off in there. So that's going to give us a lot of good flavor there. So hey, we're just going to let that cook through. Then we're going to get us a big bowl of these black eyed peas here for New Year's. Also, I told you about the rib, so you can see. Ooh, the rib is down in there. I'm baking that rib out. We'll put some good seasoning on it. Let's see what seasons I use. Some of that Larry seasoned salt, and then I came back and I put a little bit of It was a slap your mama season. So we're gonna bake that rib out right there. Got that working. Now also, I have over here in the pressure cooker right here. I got those mustard greens in there, and I got those all seasoned up too. So I'm just letting the timer calculate up, and we're just gonna pressure cook us some greens here. Got them with that ham hock off in there, and yeah, we got some bacon also off in there. Gonna give it some good flavor there on these ham hocks by using the pressure cooker there. Okay, guys, so I was just giving you an update on what I'm cooking here in the kitchen for New Year's. Okay, stay tuned. Be back soon. Hey guys, I'm back. Hey, I've been up there letting everything cook, slow cook everything. I have my pressure cooker over there. I put some of those, well, I was sharing it with y'all earlier. I had the greens over there in the pressure cooker, and I had the rib in the oven, bacon, and what else did I have? I had the black eyed peas. Got them all cooked up too. Oh, it's gonna be good, guys. This is good. On the New Year's, ain't nothing like having your own home cooked meal on New Year's. I ain't had to go to nobody's restaurant. I have my own restaurant in my kitchen here. Get in the kitchen and just do it. That's what I've been doing. And eating good, feeling good. Oh, I'm telling you, just come. Y'all know I always say, just go to the store, get it, bring it home, and do it. Just get in your kitchen and do it. What you got a kitchen for? You walk in there, use that kitchen. But let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at what I'm talking about here. Let's take a look at this meal here. I let me go on. Let me turn around. Let me turn around and show you. Let me show you. Let's see here. I can turn this camera. See, there I go the peas. There's the peas goes. Let's open this oven up. Look at that. Ooh, it's still hot, guys. But can you see it? You see that's that baked rib. Look at how it's looking over there. Y'all see that? Oh yeah, still smoking a little, but hey, I wanted to cook all that fat down out of that. And, ooh, it's gonna be good and beefy. Ooh, got a good sauce, good season on it. Ugh. Yeah, we're ready for the New Year's with this. Ooh wee. I tell you, it's just that's that time. Oh man, look at that. Oof. I'm ready to get that out of there and cut into it. Fix a plate. Fix a plate. Wait a minute, guys. Let's move over here to the pressure cooker here. Oops. I don't know if it'll let me open this up. Let's see here. Whoa. Okay. It's steaming. Let me steam off. Let's see what these greens are gonna look like here. We're gonna let it cool down, and then we're gonna get some of these good old mustard greens out of here. Y'all know I had the mustard greens with the ham hock and some bacon in there. Oh, that's gonna have some good flavor to it. I tell you, starting the year out, guys. Oof, if y'all was around, I'd fix you a plate. But you're not around, so I'm gonna have to fix a plate and eat some for you. Oh yeah. As soon as this baby cool down here, oh, we just gotta let that steam off of this. The fragrance from that steam, smelling good, smelling good. Oh boy, this is just gonna take a little bit. Gonna take a little bit here. Come on, come on. There's a lot of steam in there. Well, guys. Hold on. Did the pen drop? Nah, it ain't dropped yet. Okay, guys. Let me come back. I'm gonna let that finish cooling off. Let me come back. Okay, guys. I got the rib out of the oven, and that's how it's, that's how it look. Look at that. I'm finna cut some of that. So we got the peas. Now I did finish getting the pressure cooker depressurized here. So let's see if we can get it open this time here. Oh yeah, we got it. Oh boy. So here we go. Look at that. Then look at those. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see the greens in there? I don't know. But can you see them? They off in there. Can you see the greens? Oh yeah, we got the greens right in here. Hold on. Let's see if I can get it focused. There you go. See the greens, guys? Y'all see? Ooh, it's steaming up. But you see all those greens? See the way they looking? Uh-huh. Yeah. So we got our mustard greens here. So let's get a plate, guys, and try some of these mustard greens and some of these black eyed peas. Y'all know, right? Oh yeah, look at that. Y'all, now I was sharing the rib with you, and I was sharing the black eyed peas with you right there. Now we're gonna get yeah, we had that the ham hock with the flavor on there, and we'll put some of that bacon off in there. And we'll put some season. Let me see. I put some Larry season salt in there, and oh yeah, it's just gonna taste good. So let's get a plate here for the new year, and let's plate up, guys. Give me a minute. And I'll come right back. Okay, guys, the minute y'all been waiting for. We got a plate here. We got a plate. Yes, we have a plate here in 2025. Look here. We got our black eyed peas. We got our greens right here. And as you can see right here, we got some of them ribs right there. Oh yeah. They all baked out, juicy. Mm-hmm. Yeah. We back again doing it in 2025. That's right. Now y'all know that old saying, what they always would say in the beginning of the year. Now I guess it's just an old wise tale, but they always say that if you have some black eyed peas and some greens, that you would have good luck during the year. So hey, I'm finna go on and try that out. I hope I have some good luck. You know, we never know, but that was an old saying, an old wise tale. Have you some black eyed peas on the first day of the year, and some greens, some good mustard greens, and you would have good luck throughout the whole year. So now, that was just when I was growing up. That's what they used to say. My mom used to tell me that. I don't know if she was just telling me that to get me to eat the peas or the greens, but I always would do it. And for so many years I've been doing it, and I'm still doing it. So hey, I ain't gonna turn no luck down, cause hey, if it's meant for me to have some good luck, I'm gonna show eat these peas and try my luck for 2025. Mm. Oh, hey, it's already good, guys. Already good. Look at here. These peas taste delicious. Mm. I must say, these peas are good. Let's see here. Mm. And the greens, I cooked them in a pressure cooker. They are good too. Got that ham hock flavor to them. Oh man, look at that. Well, guys, I'm already having some good luck because I'm having a good meal. I tell you. Mmm. Look at that. Put some more of that. Mmm. Hey, start the year out right. Mmm. Started out eating right too, eating good. Mmm. Y'all see it? Mmm. I baked it all the way. Mmm. Mmm. Happy New Year, guys. Happy 2025. Mmm. Mmm. We're gonna do it again. We're gonna do some more cooking. Mm-hmm. That's why I do it every year. Start it out. Mmm. I'm up here eating this guy. Normally I would have some cornbread, but I didn't have no cornbread mixed with me, so I didn't fix no cornbread this time. That soap goes great with these peas if I had some, but we didn't have it. So I thought it was some in there. but I didn't have none. So I have to pick some up next time I go in the store, get some more, get some extra cornbread mix. So, guys, but I'm enjoying my New Year's meal here. I'm loving these peas. Cause I got them all seasoned. Them real good. Slow cooked this. Wasn't no rush. Just took my time and got in the kitchen, undo it. So, y'all know what to do. Go to the store, get what you like to cook, take it home with you, get in the kitchen, and just do it. Just do it. Cook it up. Cook it up. Yeah, yeah. I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying it. My year's already starting out good. 365 days in a year, so now we got 364 more to go. All right. This is good, guys. Hey, stay tuned. I'll be back cooking some more, but I got to go for now, guys. I got some stuff here I got to finish up in 2025. Happy New Year's, everyone. I'm out of here. Have a blessed and prosperous year. And stay tuned in and get ready for some more cooking. All right. Bye for now.